When I was little, I would go to the beach alone just to watch the sunset. I was living in an island called Makandudu. It's located in the northern atoll of the Maldives. Shavian Atoll, to be specific, if you want to look it up. I was born there and raised there until I became 7 or 8 years of age. I had a lot of sweet memories there, which are slowly fading away as I get older. I want to share just one such memory with you guys today. By the way, the island later became uninhabited due to climate change. We all had to migrate to 2 different islands later on. Anyways, I've always been a sunset lover, so even back then I used to go to the beach at the time of sunset. Mainly because there wasn't much to do back then at home. There was no internet, no smartphones, and we didn't even know that computers existed. So any fun we had was by playing outside. But in my case, I was very different. I wasn't like most kids, as cliche as it may sound. I had a skin problem that got cured growing up, but I wasn't allowed to do a lot of stuff that kids of my age at that time were doing. I wasn't allowed to go swimming or to get too much exposure to dust even. So my playtime was very limited. And that is why I was alone most of the time. Wherever I go, I would go alone. So I went to the beach, and there used to be huge sandbanks on the beach area in that island. And in the middle of all the sand, there was one beautiful, lonely tree that sort of stood apart from the rest of the trees near the shore. At least that's what I remembered. And it had a V-shaped trunk, which was very weird but also nice. The tree shed a unique type of seed that had wings on them. We used to call them helicopter seeds because they had wings like helicopters. I would pick some of those seeds and fill my pockets with them. And then I would climb the tree, make myself comfortable on the tree, and then I would throw those seeds one by one into the air and watch them fall. It was very serene and peaceful. And by the time I'm empty, the sun would have already set.